Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys doing great. This is here Victor from Wearview, and today in this video I'll be teaching you how to photograph clothes without a mannequin and also no models needed. Now you must be thinking how you can just photograph clothes, that too without mannequin or without a model. Well, it is pretty easy. We'll be using the help of Wearview, and we can just create some amazing looking pictures or amazing looking images of even models wearing your dresses or even mannequin with just a few clicks by using Wearview. Like I said, all these pictures that you saw right now in the screen are all created with the help of Wearview, and I'll be teaching you just that within a few clicks. So without any further delay, let's hop into the screen. So the first thing what I want you guys to do is go ahead to wearview.co. This is the place where we work, and all these features are available to you in the most easiest way possible. Once you go ahead to wearview.co, what I want you guys to do next is log into your account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one. It just takes less than 10 seconds if you do it with the help of Google. Once you're done with that, go ahead and click on the Try It Now button. Once you click on the Try It Now button, you will get all these features that are supported by Wearview that you can use to create your very own, maybe, models wearing your dresses, or maybe fashion videos as well. So let's take a look at all the features that we have here. First is AI Try-On Studio. Next, we have AI Product to Model, AI Fashion Video, AI Model Creation, AI Ghost Mannequin, AI Pose Control, and AI Consistent Models. And lastly, we have AI Model Swap. So in this video, I'll be teaching you first how to create an AI Ghost Mannequin, and then I'll be teaching you the most special thing, how you can use the same dress or the same shirt or the same dress and make it worn by a professional, model, which is of course an AI model. So let's get into it. First, we'll click on AI Ghost Mannequin option from Wearview, and then you will have to upload the front view as well as the back view. The back view is optional, but the front view is compulsory. So just click on the choose file button for the front view, and then choose the image that you have for choose the dress or choose the garment that you want to have a ghost mannequin or mannequin effect. So I'll choose this hoodie and click on the open button. As you can see, it's a very generic image taken on a hanger, that too behind the door. So that's something very nice. There's also an optional place as well where if you want to let anything know, you have to just go ahead and prompt it. Tell the AI what's hard to see in the photo. If you have something, you can go ahead and mention, but for me, I'll just ignore it and then click on the next button. Now choose the quality of the image. If you're now really serious about the clothing business, or if you want the best of the best, then of course 4K is hands down the only option. But for this video, I'll choose 2K and then choose your aspect ratio, maybe match input image, which is default, but for this video I'll choose 3:4 and then click on the generate button. Now this takes around mostly 30 to 40 seconds. So in the meantime, what I want you guys to do is just go ahead, grab something to drink, maybe a glass of water or something like a cup of coffee, whatever you want to drink. So make sure you do it, and I'll resume the video once the generation is completed. Alright guys, so as you can see, our image has been generated successfully, and if we click on the full screen view, we can see some part of the door from our image is appearing. So what I'll do to remove it, we'll click on the refine button, and then what we can do is go ahead and click on clean white background feature. Once you do that, we'll click on the go button. Now this will, again with the help of AI, will edit the image properly. You can also choose other prompts like remove background distractions, enhance colors, sharpen fabric texture, or smooth the fabric wrinkles. Your creativity is the limit here, but we chose clean white background, and let's see what Wearview brings us on the table after we just prompted on for the hoodie, as we saw some artifacts in the background. So let's take a look at how it turns out to be. All right, guys, so as you can see, our image is generated completely. This is the original one, and this is the version 1, which is, of course, the one that we love. So as you can see, we have successfully created a ghost mannequin image of our hoodie, of our dress, or stuff like that. So what you can do, you can also flip it horizontally. Maybe you can share it from here as well. But what I'll do, I'll just download the image and I'll keep it on my computer. And then later on, I will just send this image to my manager, who will be just uploading or updating it on my website. So once that is done, this is how you create Mannequin. Now let me show you how you can use this image or a general normal image to create AI models wearing your dress. So for that, we will go to AI product to model towards the left. As you can see, we'll click on it, and then we will reach to the select products page. Here, if you want, you can click on see what works, and it will show you what all things you can add here. It supports dress, shirt, bags, shoes, hats, shades, as well as skirts. So you can go ahead and upload them all at once, and it will use the power of AI to make all of those items been worn by a professional model. Make sure the images are simple like the ones that you're seeing here. And please skip any complicated images, because you and we both don't like complicated stuff. So we'll cancel it and click on add image, and we'll choose our hoodie right here. You can choose this hoodie just behind the door on a hanger, or maybe you can just choose the one that you downloaded, which is the ghost mannequin image. But for this video, I will show you that even though it is not a professional looking photo just like this one, it can still produce images for that. So images with it, like professional images. So I can also choose a pant here. All right, once you're done with that, if you have shoes, you can add it here, or if you have shades, you can add it here as well. So I'll click on the next button. Now you will have to choose a model. Now, as we don't have a model, so we'll go to my model section. Here you can create your very own model as well, which is something very, very amazing. But for this video, I'll go to model library, and I will choose an amazing looking, female or woman, AI model. For this, let's choose Yuki. She's really pretty. Once we are done with it, we'll click on the next button. Now you can go ahead and play with your prompts. If you want, you can also change, for example, it says female model with brown hair standing confidently in a bright studio. Your prompt is, the better the prompt, the better the image. But if you want, you can also copy prompts that we already have. For example, as you can see, if you want, you can just go ahead and copy and paste it over here. And if you want, you can also enhance it with the help of AI. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now you can also describe it in your own language as well, as it supports multilingual. Now, next thing what we can do, what we will have to do is choose the quality of the image or quality of the model that we want. If you're really serious, like I said, about your business, then 4K is hands down the best quality. But for this video, like I said, I'll choose 2K. For the number of images, you can choose 4, but for this video, I'll choose 1. And for aspect ratio, I'll choose 3:4. And finally, click on the generate button. Now, this will again take around 30 to 40 seconds, so I won't keep you guys waiting as this video is getting really long. I'll just resume the video once the generation is completed. Alright guys, so as you can see, our model is ready. Yuki is ready. She is wearing our hoodie, which looks really nice, even with the trouser or the pants. Like I said, you also have this refine feature where you can maybe smooth the fabric wrinkles, clean the background or stuff like that. If you have any artifacts in the background, you can just use this one to clear them out. And you can also, like I said, flip this image horizontally, which looks good. You can share it from here, or you can just download and then use it in your portfolio and then just start making more sales out of this platform. Now, guys, I know it is so great to look at. You can also have other options here, which is AI Try-On Studio, AI Pose Control. If you want to change the pose here, you can just do that right from here. AI Fashion Video, you can convert this image into an amazing fashion video, or if you want, you can also AI Model Swap. These are so many features that we have in Wearview. Stick around. Also, make sure you subscribe because I'll create more videos related to fashion. If you're really serious about your business, Wearview, look is your best friend. Well, that's pretty much it. That's how you photograph clothes without the mannequin. Even you don't need a model, because at Wearview, we have got you all the tools that you can use to create your very own mannequin images or professional models wearing your dresses. Well, that's pretty much it. This is your Victor signing out from Wearview. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.